Hi, I'm Thais Scott.
My name's Matt Simons.
My name is Carlo and I'm a postdoctoral researcher for ICDC.
We're working on creating an alternative to diesel. Reactants that we use to come up with our diesel can be created from waste from farms.
Right now I'm looking at how metal organic framework-based materials can activate light alkanes. These are abundant chemicals that are contained in natural and shale gas. And the idea is that instead of burning them to make energy, can we use them instead to make chemicals in maybe a much more cleaner way?
It is really inspiring because it can sometimes get lost when you're working so hard on these problems that are really tough. But if you sit back and look at it, you're like, wow, this might actually help in the end if what my calculations say are correct.
So we're trying to understand these sometimes complicated chemical reactions, because in that way we could rationally improve them.
We hypothesized that after treating our moth, we'd be able to create certain iron sites with a specific oxidation state that would then be able to create an active iron oxide species that could then activate propane. In our experiment, it's tracking the creation of this specific iron site to then forming an iron oxide species and then activating propane. So really going stepwise through the mechanism.
We participate in meetings and discuss the research the new data that we have. When you're talking to experimentalists, you can get their perspective.
We're able experimentally to test the reactivity of different catalysts. So initially, one collaborator who was working on computational chemistry, doing the reaction barrier for a potential reaction using a new catalyst. And at this stage, that was completely theoretical. We were able not just to go into the lab and test that catalyst for that reaction ourselves to determine it could work. We were able to back up our results.
It's a very stimulating environment. There are lots of people working on this center, many talented people. You get to have many collaborations. So I would say you get to learn a lot. That's one of the most important things, I think. ICDC is awesome.